I'm always telling other credit union industry leaders, you need to look at GetResponse. It'll do it all for you. Our mission here at POLAM Federal Credit Union is to assist Polish Americans and their friends and family members with their financial banking needs. We are a full-service financial institution, not-for-profit, member-owned, and are very proud of our Polish heritage. When I became president of POLAM, I must say I was already using an existing platform that I was familiar with, but I inherited GetResponse, and so I thought, well, let me see how easy this is to use. It really was very user-friendly. It was a no-brainer to just stick with GetResponse because it was serving all the needs and was easier to use than the system I was already familiar with. We use email marketing as much as possible. It is a huge, inexpensive way of getting our word across. We can set time zones to be effective for our campaigns that coincide with their residents, which makes it an extremely valuable marketing source. It isn't always credit union information that I'm sending out. It could be community information. There's a new Polish restaurant that's opening up tomorrow, so I may be sending out an email about that. It could be a church function. It could be something called 𝗧𝗵𝗲, which is a Polish festival, whether it's in Arizona or it's the 𝗧𝗵𝗲 or it's the Los Angeles. So it's really a method that I have found where a lot of Polish leaders turn to me, to my social media, as a way to expose the entire community to events that are occurring. As POLAM grows and continues to grow, we need a system that adapts with us, and GetResponse made it so easy to do that. It's actually part of my disaster recovery plan. Because it is so user-friendly, I can access it from anywhere and get critical information out to members worldwide. I'm always telling other credit union industry leaders, you need to look at GetResponse. It'll do it all for you. The fact that I can get through to so many members and outreach in such an inexpensive, easy, and very little time consumption required way, such as GetResponse, it's a no-brainer. This is just, it's an easy decision as the CEO to have made.